I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Settings and tap your name to get to Find My. You need to know which device is the current location source. Once there, turn off Share My Location to stop broadcasting from that device. Then make a quick pass through Settings right arrow Privacy and Security right arrow Location Services so you can set app-level permissions. Do this first because it immediately cuts app access and stops active sharing. It also locates any apps still allowed to use GPS. Now focus on People and Apps. Open Find My and go to People. Pick anyone and choose Stop Sharing to remove them instantly. Once done, check Messages for individual conversations. Tap the contact, choose Info, then stop sharing My location so it won't be resent via chat. Make sure to review each app and location services and switch sensitive apps to never or while using. This prevents background tracking. These steps close the middle routes, where location leaks most often. Finish by verifying changes. Ask a friend to confirm they no longer see your location, or view your own Find My profile to ensure Share My Location is off. Make sure extra devices are signed out of your iCloud or removed from your account so they can't act as location relays. Disable significant locations under System Services and restart the iPhone to apply settings. Troubleshooting tip: if you're still visible, check family sharing and all signed-in devices. Sign out remotely or remove the device from iCloud to stop it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.